startup or if you have any events. So do we have any volunteers today? Okay. All right. Well, I'll do the Wallace introduction and then we'll get off here. Okay. So today we have Paula. He's an innovator, author, journalist, songwriter, musician, engineer, entrepreneur, publisher, executive, educator, technologist, and performing artist with 24 plus years of activity in the hip hop community. He has commercialized and distributed millions of copies of the media products he created. These products will reach over 20,000 points of sale across 6 continents and over 30 countries. In the process, he was at several critical junctures in hip hop history. He pioneered the intersection of hip hop, he commented with the great Dee Dot. He pioneered the intersection of hip hop and business with the launch of Owners Illustrated magazine. In that process, he created and trademarked the term hustlenomics. He also pioneered the coverage on the intersection of hip hop and technology. In 2004, he began introducing technology executives across several industries to hip hop audiences in Owners Illustrated and later Toys Edition magazines. This led to facilitating the participation of underserved communities with computer-related STEAM jobs. He also serves as CEO of Toys Electronics LLC startup at Swartz Center.
Hello, how is everybody doing?
Good.
All right, so I always love speaking in entrepreneurship spaces. I am an entrepreneur evangelist. So where I was launching my evangelism is the intersection of hip hop culture and entrepreneurship. When I say culture dictates commerce, I'm getting at the point where things that are culturally relevant have an economic impact. So when we're talking about culture dictates commerce about the hip hop community, you know a lot of these personalities. You know that a lot of products that they endorse, you buy or it influences, but how do you quantify that, right? So Nielsen, which is our standard for evaluating and rating and doing analysis, the Nielsen report, they do the TV ratings. Last year they said hip hop was the #1 music genre in America with 27.4% of the audience share. Now, when you dig deeper, who are these personalities within the culture that are generating the revenue? So for me, I've been doing coverage of this for 18 years. And what you see here is our very first premiere issue. This was sort of our sample. So let me tell you a real cool thing we did. So we went on tour with 50 Cent, Jay-Z, and Beyonce. We had a truck wrap, and what we did that was innovative was we had this cover here, and before this magazine actually got printed, we would show people sample layouts and then get them to pre-order. So this was before Kickstarter. They will pay us for a subscription and get a bonus merchandise that they could use prior, right? So in my coverage over these 18 years, starting off with 50 Cent, I realized that he had generated over $14 billion in value. And how did he do that? One of the first things 50 Cent did is he has such a brilliant mind, and it's fascinating to me when people have brilliant minds, and he didn't get any advanced education. I'm not even sure if he got a GED, but he's an incredibly brilliant mind. So in the origin of his career, he already had a massive vision of different products, different industries, different strategies, different rollouts that he wanted to do. So he's a brilliant marketer, an incredible product creator. He makes strategic alliances that's able to leverage his product creation skills, and then he seeks equity or partnership or ownership or branding.